Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. And I think you have realized it already. If you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up Bixby with it. But how to power off the tablet? For that you will need next to the power button here as well the volume down button. Long press these both buttons together and then you are finally here at the power off menu. Just confirm a power off, again on power off, and the tablet will turn off. Yeah, there's a second way to power off the tablet. For that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then we have here as well the power off symbol. Just tap on it, then you're on the power off menu, confirm twice on power off as we have learned, and the tablet will turn off as well. But there's a way to set up the power button or the side button, as Samsung has renamed it right now, as a real power button. Let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here, tap down here on the symbol for the settings. Scroll down here on the left side to the point Advanced Features. And then we will need here on the right side the point Side button. And you could choose what should happen if you press and hold this side button. No? Actually, we are waking up Bixby with, but in the future we want to have the power off menu. And that means whenever you long press now the power button, you're directly here at the power off menu. So just tap on power off, confirm a power off, and the tablet will shut down. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe you can also subscribe me as well. Would be really a pleasure. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe till next time. Ciao.